So this is how to grow your page likes on Facebook using Facebook adverts. So you can run cheap ads on Facebook and grow your Facebook pages or Facebook followers fast. So the first thing you need to do is come to the Facebook Ads Manager. And if you do not know how to do that, you need to go to business.facebook.com/ads manager. So you have to link your regular Facebook to the Facebook business. This is where ads are created. And then you can come to an interface like this one. So once you are here, you want to click on create. So now you want to select engagement because we want to grow our page likes. And if you come here, you can see that we can get page likes or event responses right here. So you click on continue. You can give your campaign a name if you want. You can give your campaign a name right here. And that's basically all you need to do right here. And then you click on next again. This is the conversion location. You want to select Facebook page because you want to send likes to Facebook. So you click on Facebook page right here, and you have to select the exact Facebook page that you want to run these adverts to. So I currently have just one page here and it picks that one page. So if you have more than one, you click on it and it's going to give you a drop down of all the pages you have, and then you just select the one you want. So this is where you do your budgeting. You can do a daily budget or a lifetime budget, and then this is where you put the amount that you want. So this is a Nigerian naira. You can change it to your own currency and put any amount that you want to pay for the day. Now this is where you set your start date when you want this advert to start and the time you want it to start. If you want this advert to end at some point, you can set an end date. Usually I just allow it start and end whenever my money is exhausted. You can do whatever you want to do. This is where you set your location. And since we want cheap Facebook followers or Facebook likes, we just want to grow our likes. We want to set this to worldwide. Now, if you have a specific need to have people who follow your Facebook page from a particular location, you can come here and then edit the exact location that you want. So from here, you can basically search for any location that you want, and these people are going to come from that location. But since we want very cheap clicks from anywhere, we don't really care where they come from. We just want Facebook followers or Facebook likes for our pages. What you do is that you want to remove this country right here and you want to target worldwide. Now to target worldwide, you just click on browse and then you want to come to countries and you want to select all. So when you've selected all, you see it changes to worldwide. This means this advert is going to go across the world. So now you want to select the age. You can choose a particular age that you want. You can say from say 24 to whatever age you want. This depends on what you want to do. So I'm just going to say 50. And you can select the gender. If you want just men or just women, you can come here and say just men or only women. We want the both of them. Now again, this is where you do your main detailed targeting, and Facebook allows you to target people through their interests, their behaviors, and their demographics. So if you have a need to reach a particular set of people, you can come right here and type their interest. Since we are looking for cheap likes from any part of the world, we don't want to put any interest here. We just want this advert to go to people and for people to like our page. So once you are done there, you want to come to the placement. You want to make it manual because people are not going to leave other places just to come and like your page. You are not the president, so you have to make it easy for them. I want to keep our adverts on just the Facebook platform. So your advert is going to show on Facebook feed and then Facebook search results. If you don't want the search results, you can turn it off and it's just going to show on the Facebook feeds. So after this, you want to go to the next phase, but before then you can see your daily estimated reach here, and your audience definition. Because we have not really done anything, you can see that our audience is fairly broad, and this is the audience size. Here, this is our estimated daily results. So we are estimating or estimated to get 12,000 likes, 12,000 reach, and to 34,000 reach daily. This is because of the amount of money we've put in. And this is the estimated daily likes, 282 to 816. Bear in mind that these are just estimates and they may not be as it have said. It can be higher, it can be lower. Just have it there. So you click on next, so you go to the ad level. So this is the ad level, and you can name your ad whatever you want. This again is just for your own use. So you want to make sure that the page you selected from the very beginning is the page you want. And this is where you upload your ad creative. And your ad creative is what people are going to see as your ad. So you can use an image or a video. So I want to use an image for this video, for this ad. So I click add image. So you can either upload this image from your computer directly, but I already have this image uploaded. So I just want to click on it and then click on next. So this is the image, and is currently the size is the recommended size, so I don't need to do any other edits. So I click done. Now we just need to put a primary text. You can write whatever you want right here. You can say, please, this is not an advert, although it is. This is not an ad. So right here, people are going to see these giant thumbs up that once they click, it becomes like, and they can become your follower on Facebook. So once you have all this set up, you just click publish, and your ads will go to review. Facebook will review your ad and then approve it, and people can start seeing your ads and clicking and liking your pages. So this is how you can grow your Facebook page fast, super fast, using Facebook adverts. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and watch out for my next video. Until then, peace out.